why must I be limited to only enjoying this in the winter? I want to have it in the spring because I'm the type of person that I want chocolate chips and peppermint in March. Hey everybody, it's me Becca and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is the peppermint chocolate chip milkshake from Chick-fil-A. I love this milkshake because I love the notes of peppermint mixed with the chocolate chip. I think it's delicious. I think it tastes much better than all the other ones. I know some people are gonna be super insulted. I know there's a whole like favorite, but my overall favorite one have to have if I'm in Chick-fil-A's line is the peppermint chocolate chip. But the worst part about it is I can only get it during the holiday season because then it's got peppermint. It's only a holiday seasonal thing, which is so sad because I absolutely love the flavor of peppermint. And they can only give it to me for a certain time because, you know, Chick-fil-A loves to tell me when I can and can't have food. If you haven't seen my minis video, that's the whole thing. But just like then, when you tell me I can't, I shall persevere. I will get what I want, even if it's the last thing I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make the peppermint milkshake. I mean, it can't be that hard. That's what I keep telling myself. I looked up a few recipes. I know exactly how it tastes. Like, the taste is like stuck in my head and I could kind of figure out what to do, but I looked up a few recipes. I think I've got it narrowed down to make the perfect storm of peppermint milkshake deliciousness. So let's get to it. No, but seriously, Chick-fil-A, why can't I get all your like peppermints a flavor and chocolate chips a flavor too? Like, it should be year round. Like, if I went to Dairy Queen and I wanted some crazy pumpkin something, I'm pretty sure I could get it all year long. I don't like this limited time thing. Okay, so you could use candy canes. Like I said, it's March. You can't find a candy cane right now. So you can also use just like the peppermint hard candies. They're the same thing, just not shaped like a candy cane. Some whole milk, some vanilla ice cream, some whipped cream, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and peppermint extract. Oh, and a blender, obviously. I mean, we're making a milkshake. Honestly, gonna make a milkshake in a blender. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is start unwrapping our peppermints, and then you want to put them in your blender. I'm gonna do about anywhere from 10-ish, kind of eyeballing it. If I have extra, it's not a big deal. And then you're gonna want to chop those up. So I feel like that's a good amount. Now we're just gonna chop those up. Peppermint dust. Okay, and then we're gonna add 2.5 cups of ice cream. Okay, so yep, 2.5 cups of ice cream. Next, we're gonna add our 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of the chocolate chips. Okay, and last but definitely not least, our 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And then all you've got to do is blend on up. Okay, and I'm gonna pour this into a cup and I'll see you guys for the taste test. Okay guys, now on appearance, it's not as red as Chick-fil-A's is, but it is so stinking cute. Now let's do our taste test. Oh man. The only difference I taste is I feel like their freezer makes their ice cream like extra thicker, and like my freezer can't get it to that coldness. But overall, it is pretty darn close. You can taste the difference in ice cream just because, again, it's not as thick as Chick-fil-A's, but it will definitely make you very happy in the middle of July and make you feel like there's a little bit of Christmas in the summertime. And the thickness of like the peppermint and the chocolate chips is just like Chick-fil-A's. Okay guys, so my final thoughts are it's super close. I would say literally it's like 9 out of 10 close. The only thing that I am missing is that Chick-fil-A's since their ice cream comes out of like a soft serve machine, it's super, super cold. The only thing I recommend to do differently is to, when you're making the recipe, add your ice cream in last, like that it's as cold as you can possibly get it. But if you love the peppermint chocolate chip milkshake from Chick-fil-A, this is as close as it's gonna get to it when it's not Christmas time. You can't run up to Chick-fil-A and get it, or even on Sundays when you really want one and you just can't get one. It is pretty darn close, and I would definitely recommend for everybody to try this at home. And it's really a lot cuter at home because you can put it in one of these cups. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment down below, and as always, make sure to Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, goodbye. I'm done.